If Telegram is showing error 500, don't worry, in this video I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get the app working again. This error can happen because of a temporary app issue, corrupted local data, or even a network problem on your computer. The good news is that you can usually fix it yourself in just a few minutes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, let's start with the easiest fix, which is to restart the app properly. On Windows, go to the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, find the Telegram icon, right-click it, and completely exit Telegram. Make sure it is fully closed and not still running in the background. After that, reopen Telegram desktop and check if the error is gone. Sometimes a simple restart is enough to clear a temporary glitch and restore normal access. If Telegram error 500 is still there, the next step is to clear local data. Corrupted cache files can sometimes cause the app to behave strangely or fail to load correctly. If you're comfortable doing it manually, close Telegram again, then locate the Telegram desktop local data folder on your PC and delete the cache-related files or folders. If you don't want to do that manually, the safer option is to uninstall Telegram desktop and then reinstall the official version from the Telegram website. This gives you a fresh copy of the app and removes any damaged local files that might be causing the issue. Now, if the problem is actually related to your connection, the error may be caused by a routing timeout or a network stack issue. In that case, try flushing your network configuration. On Windows, open the command prompt as administrator and reset your network settings using the appropriate network reset commands, then restart your computer. This can help clear any temporary routing or DNS issues that are blocking Telegram from connecting properly. After the restart, open Telegram again and test whether the error has been resolved. If you've gone through all three steps, restart the app, clear local data, and flush the network stack, there's a very good chance Telegram will be working normally again. In most cases, one of these fixes is enough to solve error 500 without needing anything more advanced. If the issue is still happening, it may be worth checking your internet connection, trying Telegram on another device, or waiting a little while in case Telegram itself is having a temporary service issue. If this tutorial helped you fix Telegram error 500, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.